2020 shit.
I'm late.
2020 stuff.
I'm late. My
Yeah.
face.
I like sunshine on a rainy day, trying to figure how you feel. It's like running through a maze. Yeah, I like getting paid, like it in my face. I can show you in my head, but you probably run away. I like sunshine on a rainy day, trying to figure how you feel. It's like running through a maze. Yeah, I like getting paid, like it in my face. I can show you in my head, but you probably run away. Yeah, miss the way you talk to me. You made me feel like I could put the whole world on my shoulder. Yeah, team on my back. Whoa, I can never fold. White shit in my nose. Feel like I'm a different nigga when I'm geeked up off the snow. The highs and the lows, they gon' come and go. Yeah, they gon' come and pass. Keep your head up when it's slow. She say I'm about to blow. Yeah, I'm about to shine. Yeah, best year of my life. Tell me why the fuck I'm crying. Still lying to myself. Yeah, I know how it felt.
You go something like this, plotting on a bitch, and you wanna say what's up, but you scared a little bit. Don't know where I'll go, don't know you'll be fine.
I like sunshine on a rainy day, trying to figure how you feel. It's like running through a maze. Yeah, I like getting paid, like it in my face. I can show you in my head, but you probably run away. Yeah, I like sunshine.
Okay, so first what you need to do is add this, a cinematic, and then you can put it down to that, and then now you need to add the text that you just made, and then after that go where the marker is, like when you need to put a marker when the other text comes in and it's not that blurry. Just put an M to put a marker, and then after that you need to add another cinematic if you want. I want to add this one, and then I'm gonna put it down to this marker because that's where it's gonna get synced up. Now I'm gonna make this to 1:4 because it's probably gonna be very laggy. What we need to search up in the effects tab is this, and then this should come up if you downloaded my presets. And then first let's add the default transitions to all of these. After you're done that, you gotta go over both of these, and then add this one first, and then go over it again, add the second one, and after that what you need to do is render this out because it's gonna be very laggy. Go on sequence, render effects into out, and then you can wait for this to render.
We're going slow,
2020 shit.
I'm late.
2020 stuff.
I'm late. My
Yeah.
face.
I like sunshine on a rainy day, trying to figure how you feel. It's like running through a maze. Yeah, I like getting paid, like it in my face. I can show you in my head, but you probably run away.